Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed by your to-do list? Do you struggle to stay focused and get things done? Well, today I'm going to share with you a simple yet powerful productivity hack that will change the way you work, the 2-minute rule. The 2-minute rule is simple. If a task can be done in less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. That's right, no procrastination, no delay, just do it. This rule can be applied to any task, from responding to an email to making a phone call. When you use the 2-minute rule, you'll be amazed at how much more you can accomplish. By doing small tasks immediately, you'll avoid the mental overhead of having to remember to do them later. You'll also build momentum and get into a flow state, making it easier to tackle bigger tasks. Here are some real-life examples of how you can apply the 2-minute rule, such as responding to a simple email, making a quick phone call, filing a document, or updating a to-do list. To implement the 2-minute rule, start small and gradually increase the number of tasks you apply the rule to. Be consistent and make it a habit. Use a timer to keep yourself accountable, and review and adjust your tasks regularly. So, start using the 2-minute rule today and watch your productivity soar. Remember, if a task can be done in less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. Don't procrastinate, don't delay, just do it. Try the 2-minute rule for the next week and see the difference it makes in your productivity. Share your results in the comments below. Make it happen now.